welcome back or to my channel. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for stopping through. I hope you'll enjoy this content and will actually consider hitting that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you don't miss any other videos. And if you're returning, hey Shug Muffins. All right, y'all, so today we have another human hair slay, and yes, this is another unit from Amazon, y'all. Y'all know I'm an Amazon junkie. And I'm telling you, that's like one of the best places to get you some good human hair wigs. I'm just gonna throw that on out there. Most affordable, one of the most affordable places to get some good human hair wigs. So today I'm gonna be reviewing this 13x4 Brazilian straight HD transparent lace frontal wig. I do have this unit in 26 inches and she does claim to have 180% density. She did claim to come pre-plucked with baby hairs. So let's go ahead and dive right on into the unboxing, the styling, and installing of this cutie here.
Alright y'all, so I want today's video to be primarily about the coloring process of this little feathered bang area. So I'm starting off by sectioning some hair in the front. This is the area that I'm going to dye and color, and I'm just going to put away the rest of the hair. As a disclaimer, I recorded this video last June with an intent to release it for Pride Month, but I didn't make the cutoff. But I was able to make it this year on the very last day. So to bleach the hair, I'm going to be using my Clairol BW2 powder along with some 40 volume developer. I'm starting off with 2 scoops of the powder, and I kind of just eyeball the volume developer. When I'm actually dyeing hair, I like my consistency to be very loose. However, if I was just bleaching the knots, I would keep it very, very thick. So I do like it to be nice and loose so that it glides on the hair a lot easier. So that's what I'm doing here. Now I'm going to start applying a generous amount of that mixture onto the hair, starting at the roots, on this side as well as in the front side, just to make sure that all of the hair is evenly coated with the bleach. And then I'm going to take my foil and continue down the shaft of the hair. This kind of just helps protect my hands in the process, even though I'm wearing gloves, but I don't want the product all over my hands either. So I just kind of use that foil to help guide me down the shaft of the hair. And then once I get the hair nicely saturated in the product, I'm just going to fold that foil up to allow the bleach to process and lift the color from black to a lighter color. Now with this one, I didn't go all the way to like a heavy blonde. I just kind of did like a light brown honey blondish type color. All you really need is a lift of the black. You just don't want the hair to be black. And the color will actually pick up on the hair if it's just lifted from being black. So I'm pretty much repeating this process on each section of the hair until I have finished the front section that I've already separated from the back. So this is pretty much once I finish the entire front section, and I don't remember how long I let it sit because it's been so long. Somewhere between 15 and maybe 30 minutes. I usually do just continue to check it and see if it's turning before I remove the foil. So you just kind of got to keep an eye on it and just keep checking back to see if it's at your desired lightness. And this is how it looks for me. So I did decide to finish or wash that out, and this is what it looked like as a result. Now I am sectioning out the pieces of hair I'm going to color, because I'm going to color them in like rows like this, like a piano. So I used the Adore semi-permanent hair color for all of the colors, and I started off with Ruby Red as the first color, and I'm just kind of gliding that color on the hair, making sure that I completely saturate the hair from root to tip. And then after I finish applying it with the brush, I just kind of take my fingers and massage it through the hair. I did that with each of the colors so that, you know, the color actually takes. I repeat this for all 5 colors, and the next color I'm going in is with Orange Blaze. The next color I'm going in with is Cosmic Yellow. This is the color I was a little more concerned about showing up, but it actually showed up pretty well. After Cosmic Yellow, I went in with Electric Lime. And then after Electric Lime, the last color was Ocean Blue. The ocean blue is like a good combination between blue and purple, so it was a nice color. So once I applied all of the color, this is what it looks like, and I let it sit for about 2 hours or so. Then I washed it out and let it dry, and this is what it looks like as the hair has dried. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and mold me a part using my She Is Bomb wax stick. Get me a nice little right side part in place. Then I'm also going to add some layers, just cut some layers going down the front of the hair so that it frames my face with layers. And then I'm also going to try to cut a little, well, I kind of did cut some of the feather bang already, so I'm just kind of cutting more layers on the other side. Now I'm taking my hot comb and combing over where I applied the wax stick so that my part remains in place. Next, I'm going to go ahead and flat iron the hair. Just using my normal flat iron with the comb chase attached to my flat iron to make sure that everything is nice and sleek and smooth. And this is what it looks like once I have finished flat ironing it. Look at that color, y'all. I am loving it.
All right, y'all, so let's get into my thoughts on this cutie here. You saw the whole coloring process, styling process. Like, this was like, I'm one of those that I really love to tap into my, you know, my creative juices, my creative vibes, and just see what I can come up with, right? And so this was just like a little test. I was like, let me see what kind of colors I can get. You know, I want to do the little rainbow colors, and, you know, I feel like it came out super cute. I feel like somebody loves it like I love it. It ain't for everybody. It's not everybody's cup of tea. I get that, but it's super cute. You know, y'all know I like to be bold sometimes when it comes to hair. So this is one of the moments. I don't mind being bold with these colors, honey. So about the wig though, super spacious cap. It did come pre-plucked, but y'all know me. I definitely had to go in here and pluck this joint all the way up some more. No tangling. Of course, we do got a little bit of shedding that could be a result of me from, you know, bleaching this little frontal area and, you know, recoloring it, and then, you know, all this cutting I did in the hair could be a result of me. I don't know, but we do got some shedding. This hair is like nice and light silky. It got a little yak up in here too. So I'm really loving the texture. Very nice luster, very good quality hair. Now, as I was styling the hair, I would give it a good 180. But, you know, when you start putting heat to the hair, it kind of diminishes the density a little bit. So, you know, we almost at that 180. I don't feel like it's as thick and full as it was, you know, once I flat ironed it, but it's still a good, decent density. We're not on Thin Street, so that's all that matters. I definitely feel like this was a transparent lace. We melted wonderfully, in my humble opinion. I feel like I melted nicely. I hope this light and this camera is not playing tricks on me, but as I'm looking in my mirror, I feel very well melted. I just hope it's coming off like that on camera, because I swear these lights in this camera be trying to play tricks on me. It be trying to play with my emotions. So as I'm sitting here giving my thoughts, I realized I didn't put anything in this parting space. Now, the parting space is not bad. It's lightened enough. It's just not wide enough. So we're going to go ahead and do that real quick, y'all, because I don't even want to look at this little super thin parting space. I'm going to just take my little foundation powder I got right here that I always use. Just go ahead up in this parting space and just open it up a little bit, because it's a little thin. A little bit on Thin Street. And that is not what I'm about and what I'm here for. So we're just going to widen it up a little bit. Take a little powder, throw up in that bad boy, go all the way across. There we go. I feel like, I mean, that's not a massive difference, but it is a difference. You know what I'm saying? But all in all, I'm quite pleased with this wig, and I am quite pleased with my little creative jeans I had going on. Like, look at this, y'all. Now, I feel like you can't really see the blue as much. The blue is like blending in with the black. But all the other colors are very vibrant, and you can see them pretty clearly. The red, the orange, the yellow, the green, and a little bit of the blue. Yeah, blue didn't stick out so much, but, you know, you get the idea. So that's pretty much all I have on this unit today. You know, I want to know your thoughts. Let me know what you guys are thinking about it down in the comments. Let me know if you're feeling this little bold rainbow situation going on with this wig. It ain't for everybody, I get it, but let me know what you're feeling. If you have made it this far in the video, go ahead and leave me this little rainbow emoji right here. Yes, ma'am. Down in the comments so that I know you made it to the end, Shug Muffin, and you know I love and appreciate you for that. I thank you all so much for rocking with me today. I appreciate it as always. Please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you have not, and I will be sure to catch you beautiful people in the next video.